Down in the ocean, there are many creatures that are dangerous and you probably don't want to run into. One of those are the vile vipers of the sea, the lamprey. Lampreys can reach from 1 foot to a little over 1.5 feet and can weigh from 8 to 13 pounds. That's a little bigger than I thought. The sea lampreys are a type of fish, but they have no jawbones. They have reddish eyes and one single nostril on the top of their head. Now the reason why they're jawless is because they have a suction cup mouth, and they suction onto other fish and feed on the other animal's blood and bodily fluids. Plus they have however many teeth to be able to cut through the flesh of the other sea creatures to be able to extract their bodily fluids. Along with that, if you're a fish and you get bit by one of these ferocious freaks, you probably won't live to tell the tale. On average, 1 out of every 7 fish live through this experience. The reason for this is because the sea lamprey carries an anticoagulant property in their saliva that makes it so you'll just keep bleeding, or whatever fluid it's sucking out of your body, and then it'll deplete you from the substance, and then you will eventually die. Thankfully, it doesn't work the same way on land. It's not the most fun process, or so I've heard. The sea and river lamprey seem to get just about all the attention. They are considered as parasites in the underwater world because they usually deplete the fish population that they live in. But there are over 40 species of lampreys on record. The Brook Lamprey is one of those that is not considered as a parasitic fish to find hosts one after another. It actually helps to keep things in line with the ecosystem. They are native to North America and are actually kind of cute for a lamprey. In the spring, sea lampreys make their way to fresh waters, rivers to mate. The females gather in small groups and lay anywhere between 35,000 to 100,000 eggs, which the males then fertilize. After which the eggs are then buried in a little nest in the riverbed. The lampreys stop eating during the spawning season to save energy, but the reproducing adults no longer need room for their digestive systems. So, that deteriorates and the reproductive system takes its place. Because of that, the lampreys' bodies are much more prone to infection and diseases. So after the mating season is over, the fish are invaded with fungus, which kills them shortly after that has been complete. Other than humans, the lampreys have no known predators, which gives them a huge advantage. It helps them to live a much fuller life and strengthen in numbers. The only other things that have been known to kill them are microscopic parasites and nematodes, but those anyone or anything can die from. Also, they are delicacies in other countries, such as Asia, Portugal, Spain, and Alaska. King Henry I loved to eat them, and considered them one of his favorite foods. In fact, it is believed to be the cause of his death. Not because of the lamprey, but because someone poisoned it. Nowadays, they sell live lampreys in the market for roughly around $25 a pound. The sea lamprey has an astonishing genome. It allows their body to have the ability to regenerate nerve endings to regain full motion. They have become a very valuable specimen to the scientists. If that isn't crazy enough, scientists have found that the sea lampreys have some genes that are linked to human neurological disorders. Scientists hope that they will find a cure for those to restore the damaged nerve endings and assist patients with spinal cord injuries. But there needs to be more tests and further studies to find out what the potential the sea lampreys have. You never know, they could be the cure along with many other things that nature has to offer. What do you think nature has to offer for us to heal us from our infirmities, to better heal us in many different ways and strengthen and enrich our lives? Let me know in the comments below, and please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Stay in tune, because there will be more videos to come. I hope all goes well for you all, may nature always be on your side, and have a great day.